Kia ora fam, what's goody? Here's just a little Raro vlog. Everything in here is from my GoPro. So pretty much just we arrived in Raro and walking through. Welcome by the bro Faidor. Made it past customs, thank God, with my little sister there. The very next morning, we're off on a bit of a cruise to look for a scooter for the bro. But look at this chat, this is crazy. Traffic in Raro. What the hell? Still cruising through the island. Still trying to look for a shop. Saturday markets passing by. This wannabe bike life guy. But this is life in Raro. Get you a bike, whether you're gonna hire it, borrow it, not steal it, but man, this is all you need in Raro. Jump on your bike and just go around the island. Best feeling ever. But yep, shout out to the cuz for the bike. This is at one of the Te Mai Vanui evenings performance night. Those are the screens outside for the ones who couldn't make it inside. And we're at the back, I think Rack City here. Just finished their Urupau and it was fire. It's on my channel, by the way. Go and have a geese. Go watch it, like it, subscribe. Take those views up, man, because they were on. Sound check set up for the Imi and Mai concert. Official wrap up for Te Mai Vanui RAROTONGA 2025. House band here doing some rehearsals with Steve Angia from Tahiti, one of the international artists here for the Rage Cook Island 2025. So just doing a bit of work and rehearsal stuff with him. This particular day was probably the only day I've had to wear a jumper in Raro. As you can see, it was wet, raining, but I was on my way to Ngātangia to pick up a uke that I asked to be made. And this is the place, KMD ukulele. And that's the finished product. I asked if I could get my pickup, my plug-in, in the middle of the uke. That was my request. So thankful to the papa for getting it done for me. Here's his workshop where he gets everything done.
And I've got another
where all the magic happens for him in making ukes.
7 still to be processed.
And it was interesting to know how he does it, how he makes it.
Yeah, this is how.
But this part here, listen.
It's not one piece laminate. That's the best way.
Oh, okay.
If it's a one piece, 2 years it was twist wall.
That was crazy.
So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 pieces of wood over there. It's not one whole, one timber, but it's not like a one
explaining
whole.
how he makes them, how it's made.
Yeah.
Which is cool. And it's more of his stuff that he's making. Pretty decent price if you ask me.
And how long have you been in business making?
Check out his workshop.
13 years.
Oh yeah.
And 20 years working with
I think he's known as Socks.
Oh.
20 years.
A lot of people know him as
Wellington,
Socks.
Put it on, and then I moved back.
Sound check set up for the Rage Raro 2025. House band sound check again with Steve Angia. This is pretty much the end of the vlog, guys. Nothing spectacular. But I do have other content to be uploaded from Raro as well. So yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel. Kia ora.